Good morning, friends. I actually welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see why you should know all types of insurance plan, because before buying any kind of insurance plan you should know what kind of insurance plan they have, what are the products, what kind of products will suit your designation or your needs, what kind of needs you have, what is your life goals. For example, do you want a plan for pension, do you want a plan for risk cover, do you want a plan for that is monthly guarantee income, do you want a plan for that lifelong policy. So you should know these things before you should buy any kind of plan. So there is an endowment plan, there is term insurance plan, there is ULIP plan, that is unit link insurance plan, there is money back plan. So we will see first this, and we will understand this, and then according to that we will go to products, right? So see, endowment plan. So if you wish to save money and also wants it to be grow, and if you wish it to your family member be secure, even if you are not around, then you should definitely buy endowment plan. So what they are saying about endowment plan, that if you want to save money, you can have endowment plan. If you want your money to grow, you want endowment plan, you need endowment plan. If you want your family members should secure, if you are not around, then you should have endowment plan. So what is endowment plan? So endowment plan, it pays the policy holder on maturity of the policy with good rate of return if he survive the term. So what they are saying, that policy holder. So policy holder are those person. First of all, you can be policy holder. Second one is those person who are financially dependent on you, can't be policy holder, right? So see, it pays the policy holder on maturity of the policy. Maturity, what is maturity term? You will take some years. For example, you will take policy term 40 years or 30 years. So maturity, what you will get at the end of 30 years or 40 years. So this is maturity with good rate of return if he survive the term. So if you will survive, then they will add some percentage into your premium term. So you know what is premium term. For example, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 7 lakhs is your premium term according to the insurance policy only. See, if insured dies during policy term, it pays some assured to beneficiary, which is 10 times of annual premiums paid. So who would be your beneficiary? So you can give the name, or you can make beneficiary anyone. And so if you are not there, or if you die, they will get 10 times of annual premium paid. So for example, you are paying 5 lakhs per year, so they will get 10 times of 5 lakhs. How much? 50 lakhs, right? So they will get 50 lakhs at the end of the maturity term. Endowment plans are nothing but saving plus protection. So, and what is endowment plan? Basically, it is a saving plan plus protection. Endowment, the act of giving money. Endowment is the act of giving money, and it is basically a saving plan plus protection, right? Understood? So you know about that is term insurance plan. We have seen various time, but we will see last time that see, term insurance provide death cover for certain period of years. So term insurance provide death cover for certain periods of year. For example, you have taken a policy year of 70 years, so till 60 years they will cover your death policy, right? So the premium is very affordable. I think 17 rupees per day. I think term insurance does not provide maturity benefit. Why? I have already told you, term insurance does not provide maturity profit. It is not an investment plan. It is basically a risk cover plan. Then term insurance is very important for every earning individual who have dependent on them. We have already seen this. Term insurance is for risk cover and not for an investment purpose. We have already seen this. So we have seen endowment plan, and we have seen that term insurance plan. So very important plan, that is ULIP plan, that is unit linked insurance plan. Coverage of life and changes, investment in shares and bonds. Here you will get more advantage because this plan is linked to the share market, that is unit linked insurance plan. So here you will get ULIP plan, life protection. You will get here life protection plus investment. So see, ULIP is a combination of life protection plus investment. We have already seen it. You can earn good return of around over 80% to 20% per year, right? So you will get 80% to 20%, whatever your annual premium on that. Small portion of premium goes towards coverage of life and charges depending on various factors, and rest towards investment in the funds chosen across shares and bonds. Usual the death benefit is 10 times the annual paying plan. So see, basically you will get here 18 to 20%. You will get here coverage plan. You will get additional investment also, and death benefit will get 10 times. After your death, beneficiary will get 10 times more than your annual plan. And ULIP offers flexibility to invest in equity and debt as per its appetite, and also got death benefit. So this is for life protection, also investment plan also. So see, money back plan. What kind of insurance plans or what kind of insurance companies who have different products under money back plan. So money back plan is a specified percentage of the cash value or sum assured is paid at periodic interval survival of life assured. See, a specified percentage of the cash value or sum assured is paid at period interval on survival of life assured. So it pays the policy holder on maturity of the policy with good rate of return if he survive the term. If insured dies during policy term, it pays sum assured to beneficiary, which is 10 times of annual premium paid. So after that they will get 10 times of annual premium, but a specified percent of the cash value or sum assured is paid on periodic interval also. So if you will get at periodic interval, you will get some money. So when we will see the products, we will come on to this. So whole life insurance, so it provides the death cover for the rest of your life. So whole life insurance plan is for your death cover. Beneficiary would receive generate payout if insured dies before age of 99. So if you die before 99, so beneficiary would receive guarantee payout. Sometimes it also builds up cash value, which is money you can access while you are alive. Whole life insurance are more expensive than term plan, but they also provide more benefit than term plan. We will see whether it is mandatory to take whole life insurance plan or not. Okay, thank you.